Hi, welcome to another video on forces. As I was mentioning in the previous video, three situations you will have to analyze. That was on inclined plane. Now here on suspended objects we'll discuss what's the difference and what you need to remember and so on. Now if you look at the two situations that I have drawn here an object is suspended by two strings or ropes, right? Now here, what is the difference between the two situations is, in these two, the angle that it makes to the horizontal is the same theta, but in this, the tension and the angles are different, right? So how do we approach each one of this? If you compare and study, it would be better. Now again, is this object in equilibrium? Yes, both objects are in equilibrium because it is suspended and it is at rest. So when they are in equilibrium, the perpendicular components or in any line, the forces acting on either side should be the same, right? Now I am considering the vertical and horizontal. Now what can you say about the horizontal force here? First thing is you break it down into its components. Now the component due to this force along the horizontal will be t cos theta. This will be vertical will be t sin theta, right? This is due to this t. Similarly, you will have for this force t cos theta here and one more t sin theta here as well. You get it? So I have broken down these two into its components. So I have t cos theta acting to the right here. Due to this t cos theta acting to the left here. Now vertically, these two are acting in the same direction. The component due to this t is t sin theta here. Component due to this t will also be t sin theta. Now these two are acting on either side. Obviously they are same, right? They cancel each other out. But what about vertical? Vertical, downwards you have got w and upwards you have got 1 t sin theta plus 1 t sin theta. So you have 2 t sin theta will be the equation here, right? Please compare and study so that you can have this concept in your minds and you can save time in your examinations. So if you have a suspended object with the same angle and tension acting, immediately you can write if this the angle given to the horizontal, then the other angle, which is t sin theta, or other component t sin theta, 2t sin theta will be equal to w. That's a very straightforward, easier one. But here, how does it differ? All right. Here also the method or the approach will be the same, but what is the component due to this theta 1 and t1? T cos theta 1 here, and vertically you will have t sin theta 1. How about here? Is it the same as this? Yes it is, but the values will be different. T2 cos theta 2. Here will be t2 sin theta 2. Right? I've broken down all the components. Now here also it's in equilibrium. Hence, your t2 cos theta 2 value must be equal to t1 cos theta 1. So first equation will be plus t1 cos theta 1. So we've got it, one of the equations. That is the horizontal equation, the x direction. We have combined the values. But how about vertically? Vertically, W is the only force acting down. How about the forces acting up? T2 sin theta 2 plus T1 sin theta 1. This is your equation 2. Right? Now, if you form these equations, then after this, as I said before, it is pure math skill. Now, if both T1 and T2 are unknown, then you will be left with two equations with two unknowns, right? So it's like, how do we solve? Usually, how do you solve? You might be, adding it or using elimination method. Elimination method is you can either subtract it or substitute one of this. Fine. Make T2 as the subject of the formula. Combine the rest. Substitute it here. If you know W, you can calculate it. All right. So keep this point in mind. If you have two equal tensions and two equal angles, immediately you will get one equation connecting tension and weight, whichever is the unknown, or even if the angle is unknown, you can just find out by one simple calculation. But if the tensions and angles are different, then you will be ending up with two equations, horizontal and vertical, combine them both by using your math skills, and you'll be able to find out the unknown value. I hope you have understood a bit. When you solve questions, another session I'll just discuss only question answers. I hope you'll understand better then. Right, see you in another video. Bye.